Hans, once the celebrated healer of a small town, felt a deep disconnection from his calling due to repeated failures in treatments. Weighed down by despair, he spent his nights in restless contemplation. One night, he dreamed of Jesus extending a gentle hand, illuminating a path of renewed wisdom and skills. This miraculous vision infused Hans with profound insight, breathing life into his hands and reigniting his healing touch. Embracing his renewed purpose, he extends his gift selflessly, touching the lives of those he heals and inspiring a wave of hope across his community.